Here is a full-length spoken voiceover script reviewing the Samsung 34 Odyssey G5. Hey there, gamers and tech enthusiasts. Are you ready for a game changer that's about to take your gaming experience to a whole new level? Let me introduce you to the Samsung 34 Odyssey G5, an ultra-wide monitor that's packed with features that will make you wonder how you ever played on anything else. First off, let's talk about the all-encompassing display. This thing is huge. With a whopping 1000 R curvature, it wraps around your field of vision like a warm hug. It's like the screen is pulling you right into the game, making every moment feel more immersive and engaging than ever before. And with its WQHD resolution, you'll get to see crisp, clear details that will make even the smallest details pop out at you. But what really sets this monitor apart is its refresh rate. A blistering 165 Hz means you'll be seeing super smooth motion, no stuttering or lagging to interrupt your gaming fun. And with AMD FreeSync Premium, you'll get effortless smooth gameplay that's free from screen tearing and input latency. It's like having your own personal gaming assistant, working tirelessly behind the scenes to make sure your game is running at its best. Now, let's talk about color accuracy. This VA monitor has got it down pat with HDR10, which means you'll be seeing colors that are accurate and true to life. No more washed out or oversaturated colors ruining your gaming experience. Instead, you'll get a visual feast that brings game scenes to life in all their glory. But here's the thing, this monitor is not just about graphics quality. It's also about comfort. The ultra-wide display means you can enjoy a seamless dual monitor setup without any distractions like a cluttered bezel or tangled cables. And with its fast 165 Hz refresh rate, you'll be able to play for hours on end without feeling fatigued. So what does it all come together to? An immersive gaming experience that's unparalleled in this class of monitors. The Samsung 34 Odyssey G5 is a game-changer that will make you wonder how you ever played on anything else. And with its incredible specs and features, you'll be able to take your gaming to new heights. So if you're ready to upgrade your gaming setup and experience the thrill of the game like never before, check out the link below to get your hands on the Samsung 34 Odyssey G5 for the best price.